Hello friend, how are you? I welcome you on my channel. Now we read about VPN types and what our components need to create a VPN connection. VPN types are remote access VPN connection, second is site to site VPN connection. And components are VPN client, VPN server, VPN tunnel, VPN connection, VPN connection, and tunnel data. Client is a computer, any computer which may access or accessed by the server is called VPN client, and the server is the main machine by which the client get the network resources. VPN tunnel, where data is encapsulated, the portion of the connection where data is encapsulated. VPN connection, the portion of the connection where data is encrypted. And tunnel data, data that is usually sent across private point to point link. Thanks to watch video. Next we detail explain the types of VPN.